Hey guys, today we're playing some games, only one game. Here it is. Let's go click click. Let's go. Ay ay. What the? Okay. This game is all about training. I know it sounds kind of boring, but I'm gonna just put my real voice.
I don't give a fuck who talk behind my back, cause the bitch knew better than to let me hear. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking.
Okay, I'm going to do a story if you want.
Wake up now, right now, I'm screaming.
The end XD. Pop 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 pop. Woo yay. Let's go. No, I will not wait. Oopsies. Let's go trade. Let's go skip this. Okay, finally. Drinks, sorry guys, I drink water. Yes, I'm so cool at this game. I have 5.104,000 claimer.
Help me!
State of Survival. Play now.
KKK. Goodbye.